Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate your support. Well, I'm in New Jersey and the weather outside is awful, to say the least. It's cloudy, it's pouring rain, we've had thunder, and they're expecting in a little while very high winds. So even though it's horrible and gloomy outside, I figured we'd do something fun inside. We'll bring the sun indoors. So we're bringing the sun indoors today. Not gonna do what you think I'm gonna do. I'm doing something a little bit different. But before I get into that, I want to tell you to make sure you watch the video till the end because I haven't done a giveaway in a long time. And I'm going to be talking about a giveaway today. So you don't want to miss out on that. Well, as you saw in the thumbnail, today we're going to grow our own donuts. Now I know, you're all saying, Diva, we know you're a little cray-cray, but come on, how are you going to grow donuts? Well, I'm going to show you with the help of, ta-da, the cameraman who's behind the camera, and several of you had said, you didn't know the cameraman was my hubby. Well, he is, right, cameraman?
Right, Diva?
Okay. So anyway, he stays behind the camera. Doesn't like to get in front of the camera. I've tried, but it doesn't work. So we'll just have to deal with the voice from now on. So anyway, this video, I think, is going to intrigue a lot of you who have young children or you have young grandchildren because kids grow up so fast. And before you know it, they're adults. I have 4 grandsons, and I can't even believe how fast they've grown. So it's important. Have fun with the kids while you can, and do silly things with them and create memories. So anyway, let's get started growing our own donuts. So what are you going to need first? Well, you're going to need a cookie sheet. You can put a piece of parchment paper on it or wax paper. It doesn't matter. But the most important thing you need to grow your own donuts are children. And I'm going to say this is going to probably be most effective with preschool children. I think once they go into school, this little fun activity won't work. So anyway, you're going to gather your children around. It's going to be evening time, early evening, I would say. And you know, the kids always give you a hard time. They don't want to go to bed. Well, this might be a good way to get them to go to sleep a little earlier. Works great on a holiday, especially Christmas Eve, but it'll work on any day. So, here we are. I'll pretend I have my children next to me. I have my cookie sheet. So, we're going to tell the kids that we're going to grow donuts. They're going to be excited about that, right? Growing donuts? Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some cold cereal. Now, I have here Cheerios. I just took plain Cheerios. Doesn't matter. You can use Fruit Loops, but I just have my box of just plain Cheerios. So what you want to do is you want to have the kids put the Cheerios on this cookie sheet. Maybe the cameraman could zoom down a little bit on the sheet if he can. So each one of these little Cheerios is going to turn into a donut. That's what I said, a donut. So we're going to put on there as many donuts as you want. I'm going to probably do about maybe 8. We'll space them apart because you need space between your donuts, right? Something like that. And I'll put some stills in the video for you. We'll put them here. Okay. It's fun already, isn't it? More fun than being out in the rain. Okay, there we go. Oh, I'll just space these out. Yeah. That's a little better. That's 8 of them. That's fine. Okay. Now, you ask the kids. Kids, what kind of donuts do you want to bake? Well, some of them might say they want to bake the donuts with sprinkles. All the kids like donuts with sprinkles. So take any kind of sprinkles you want. I happen to have some that were left over from Easter, but just get some colored sprinkles. Now, if you want a donut with sprinkles, you got to put some sprinkles on that donut, right? Just like this. We'll do, how about, what do you think, cameraman? Should we do 2 or 3 with sprinkles?
3.
3? Okay. So, all right, we'll do these 3 with sprinkles on them. Try to remember where you put your sprinkled donuts and where you put your others. So these we're going to turn into sprinkled donuts. Okay, now, what other donuts do you want, kids? Mommy or Grandma, I want a glazed donut. Okay, so for the glaze, we're going to take some water. We have a little water in the bowl, and we're going to sprinkle some water on 2 of those to make them a glazed donut. There we go. 1, 2. We'll have 2 glazed donuts. There we go. Oh, kids, we have a few more. What else you want to make? Oh, Grandma. I cracked myself up. Let's make a chocolate donut. Alrighty. So let's take some chocolate and sprinkle some chocolate on there. Because we need chocolate for chocolate donuts, right? And then I think we'll make, should we make 2 or 3 chocolate donuts? What do you think, cameraman?
2.
2, all right. And we have 2 glazed and 3 sprinkled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What should we make the other one? If you want to do a cream-filled donut, you can put some milk on there. But maybe, what do you think, cameraman? 3 glazed?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll put a little bit more water on that. But anyway, you get the picture. You put on there whatever you want your donut to be. Okay. All right. So now we're going to put our donuts into our oven, but we're not going to turn our oven on. Has to be a cold oven. So let me go over there, and we're going to have the kids put these in the oven, and we'll tell the kids these have to stay in the oven all night, overnight. And then when you get up in the morning, but you have to go to bed early, because the donuts won't start turning into magic donuts until you go to sleep. And then when you wake up early in the morning, they'll have turned into your favorite donuts. So I'm going to go put these in the cold oven. They're going to be in here overnight. And then, cameraman, I'll be back in a second when it's morning and it's time to take them out of the oven. Don't go away. Oh, good morning, everyone. You'll have to excuse my appearance. I'm in my pajamas and my hair. I haven't had a chance to fix my hair yet, but I had to get up very early because one thing you have to remember to do is you have to get your rear ends up to the donut store and buy donuts to put on the cookie sheet to replace those Cheerios before your kids get up. And most important, you have to make sure that you destroy the box. Now, if you don't think you're capable of doing that, buy donuts ahead of time, but find a really good place in the house to hide them. So, I'm so tired. Okay, the kids are going to get up soon. Oh, I hear the kids coming now. I hear the pitter-patter of feet. They'll be here any moment.
Mommy,
Oh,
are you done yet?
Oh, hi, kids.
Hi, Mommy.
What's up, kids?
We're hungry.
What do you want for breakfast?
Donuts.
Oh, the donuts. Oh, come on, kids. Let's go see if the donuts are ready.
Okay.
So, here we go. Kids, look. Kids, look. What do you think, kids?
Beautiful.
Look at this. Look at this, kids. Do you like them, kids?
They look scrumptious.
Oh my God. We grew our own magic donuts. Look at the ones we put the sprinkles on have sprinkles. And the ones we sprinkled the water on are glazed. And we have a couple of different kinds of chocolate that we put the chocolate on. And they smell so you go. Take whichever one you like. Take one for your sister too. Oh, taking the glazed and the sprinkled one. And I think Mommy is going to take this one for herself. So, I hope you enjoyed this part of my video. I know the kids enjoyed their donuts, and this is how you make and grow your magic donuts. And it's the price that all mommies and grandmas pay for having their children sleep all night. Stay tuned to see and hear about my giveaway. Okay, I'm back, still in my PJs, but I want to first show you what the giveaway is going to be. I haven't done one in a while, and with all my new subscribers and all the support that everyone's given me, I think it's about time we do another one. So let me show you what is going to be in the giveaway. Most of you that follow me know I designed my own mug, and it says on it Baking Diva, and it's a Diva cupcake. She has a crown on the top of her icing, and she has big red sexy lips and long eyelashes, and on the back of the mug it says, "Don't leave home without your crown." So I'll put stills in the video of what the giveaway is going to be. So first of all, you're going to get my designed mug. Next, in trying to keep with the theme, you're going to get 4 luscious terry dish towels. 2 of them will be solid color, brown and a turquoise, and 2 of them will have these yummy looking cupcakes on them. So you'll receive those with the mug. You're also, if you have coffee, tea, or cocoa in your mug, you're going to want some nice cookies to eat with them. So you're going to have these rainbow sprinkled, or actually called sprinkled shortbread cookies. It has a little flower on the top. So you're going to get the little container of these. And last but not least, you're going to get this beautiful tray. I just absolutely love this tray. Sticking with my theme, it has donuts on it, and it says, "Do not worry, be happy," and the colors are beautiful, and there's flowers all over the donuts, and honestly, I loved it so much, I bought 2, one for myself. So you'll get the tray, the dish towels, my hand-designed mug, and the cookies. Now let me give you the rules of the giveaway. First of all, you have to be a subscriber of mine at the point that I pull the winner. You have to be 18 years of age or older. You have to live in the United States. Unfortunately, at this point, I can't ship out overseas. And you have to be willing to give me your address should you win, so that I will have a place to mail it to. Today is the 26th, so this video will go up a little later on today. I will pull a winner by Sunday evening, the 28th, midnight Eastern Standard Time, and I will post the winner on my YouTube channel. The winner will have 24 hours to respond to me by email. My email address is down below in the description box. If I don't hear from the winner within the 24 hours, I will just proceed and I'll pick someone else. So this is a big thank you to all of you, because without you, I wouldn't even have this channel. You're the ones that make it successful. And I wish you all good luck. So for now, the diva and the cameraman, we say toodles!